Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a slow motion effects in CapCut PC. So in here, I have this 14 seconds video of ducks walking and I want to make it slow, or want to create a slow motion effects to this clip. So if you want to do the same, let's just click on the clips in here on the track. Go to the speed options at the top in here on the right panel, and to make it slow you can just easily drag this slider to the left to make it slow. I'm going to make it 0.5 slower, and now the duration from 14 seconds will become 29 seconds. But if you want to make it smooth, you can just enable this feature, and I suggest you using the optical flow if you want to have a better quality. But if you want to generate faster, you can just use the frame blending, and you'll see the result, and it will become slower just like this. And that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.